guys, welcome to day 2. If I want to give an opinion to say what I think about something, I would say like this. I think your dress is beautiful today. I think the red one would be better. I think the coffee here is nice. So the I think, in Chinese we call it 我觉得. 我觉得. 觉得. For example, 这里的咖啡好喝吗？我觉得很好喝。这里的咖啡好喝吗？我觉得很好喝。Is the coffee here delicious? I think it's delicious. 这里的咖啡好喝吗？我觉得很好喝。爸爸觉得我做的面条不好吃。爸爸觉得我做的面条不好吃。My dad thought that the noodles I made were not tasty. 爸爸觉得我做的面条不好吃。红色和白色，你觉得哪个好看？红色和白色，你觉得哪个好看？ Red and white, which one do you think looks good? 红色和白色，你觉得哪个好看？ So please feel free to write down 觉得 sentences at the comment section. So see you again tomorrow. Bye!